everyone. So I just woke up. So this is me when I woke up in a mess. I need to take a shower. I should took a shower yesterday when I came from work, but actually I was so tired that I didn't even do anything. I just ate because I was so hungry and I just fall asleep. So me now, I didn't wash my face, by the way. I told you that, I guess. So it looks so pretty. I need to wash my hair. And yeah, I can wear my glasses because I don't know why I can wear my glasses because I need them to see perfectly. I have a myopia, if you know anything about it. But anyway, I can see perfectly my screen just right here. Okay, ignore the mess. And I'm doing some work actually. Why you are not working, baby? Okay, because I'm gonna do something very quickly here to upload a video. It's a really large one, so I'm gonna leave it like take its time to be uploaded. And while like waking up, drinking my coffee, taking my shower first. That's the first thing I'm gonna do, take my shower and wake up and begin to like jump into my day. So this is a very important thing to do. So I'm gonna upload that video and let it upload and yeah, enjoy my life. And yeah, I didn't told you why I didn't wear my glasses, because somehow when I wear my glasses without washing my face, I don't know the reason, but I feel my eyes really hurt me when I do that. So I don't wear my glasses until I wash my face. So as I didn't wash my face yet, I can't wear my glasses. So that's me. That's me. Okay, this is a fun fact about me actually. So yeah, finally. So I am transforming a video that I finished. Yeah, it's about to be done. Take it to my laptop to let it upload because it's more closer to the internet connection, so it'll be upload way faster. So yeah, and this is kind of my own like the opening of my day after work, because in that day I don't work for my YouTube because you know the whole day I'm just working on my own profession, which is being a psychiatrist. And that's a fun fact about me as well. I am a psychiatrist, guys, and if you don't know, I say that every time I do a video. If you didn't see any one of them, I say I'm a psychiatrist and a makeup artist, which is a weird combination, but I studied medicine, so of course I will be a doctor or physician. So I am a psychiatrist. That's my profession. And being a makeup artist is who I am. I love colors. I love drawing since I was a little girl. So for me, makeup is one of my favorite stuff. So that's why I am jumped into makeup from years and years ago. So I was on YouTube from 2011, but my old channel was deleted. So that's why I have a new one. So I just wanted to say hello. And I hope you enjoy me when I just woke up. I am beautiful. So yeah, have a lovely day, night, and love you all. See you soon in my next video. Bye.